Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. The quiz contains the basic operation minus, multiplication and division. So we have to solve this quiz using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. In the answer test we have 4 answers. A is 0, B is minus 10, C is 64 and D is 10. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. Let's talk about what are the rules which we can apply to solve the given expression. Here we will discuss two rules, BODMAS and PAMDAS rule. These rules we can apply to solve any arithmetic expression. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After the bracket, you have to see the exponent and power of any number. If your expression contains any number which has the power, so you have to solve that part after the bracket. Step number 3 is you have to solve division and multiplication. Actually, both has similar precedence, so you can solve any of them which is coming first. So you have to go left to right in your expression and find out division and multiplication. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first, and we can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. Now move forward to solve the given expression. According to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, first of all, we have to solve the parenthesis. But in our expression, we do not have any parenthesis or bracket. So we can skip this one. Now we have to go step number 2, which is exponent part. So we have to solve the exponent and order of expression. So we have to solve this part, 4 raised to power 2. So we will write 24 divided by 6 minus 7 multiplied by 4 raised to power 2 means 4 multiplied by 4, which is equals to 16. And divided by 8, we will write as it is. And here we have to give the reference like 4 multiplied by 4 equals to 16. Now move forward to solve the step number 3. We have to solve division and multiplication. So what we will do, we will go left to right in this expression and find out division and multiplication. So now we have this division which is 24 divided by 6. So we will divide both of them and get the answer is 4 minus 7, and this part we will write as it is. And here we have to give the reference 24 divided by 6 equals to 4. Now move forward. Again, we have to go left to right and find out division and multiplication. So now we have this multiplication. So we will multiply like 4 minus 7 multiplied by 16. So we can check like 16 multiplied by 7 equals to 112. Then 112 divided by 8, we will write as it is. And here we have to give the reference 7 multiplied by 16 equals to 112. Now, again, we have to go left to right in this expression and find out division and multiplication. So now we have this division, which is equals to 4. And this one, so 112 divided by 8 equals to 14. So minus 14, we will write here and give the reference 112 divided by 8 equals to 14. Now we have two terms which are subtracting each other. So we will subtract both of them and get the answer is 10. But not here we will get the answer is 10. We get the answer is minus 10. Why? Because we have the minus sign with the 40. So we will get the answer is minus 10. So answer of the given expression is minus 10. If you see the answer list, so answer B is the correct answer of this expression. So I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah.